As you know, I've been saying this for a long time that world has become hyper competitive and we are always replaceable. So if you're still not honing it, if you're still not improving your presentation skills, what shall I say, man? Apparently, people from different profiles come to us. CEOs, CFOs, managers, leaders, entrepreneurs. Of course, they can communicate, but what about presentation skills? Because the world wants to know about you, about your brand, about an idea you've got in here. So you need to hone it. Presentation skills ASAP. Remember what I said in the beginning? We are always replaceable. Okay, without any further ado, let me jump straight into the topic. Let's discuss how to improve presentation skills. First suggestion, 2 locations. Oh, trust me, if you know the answer of these 2 locations, you can structure your presentation accordingly. And structured presentations are great presentation. Location number 1, where are they? Where are they standing? What do they know presently? Location number 2, where do they want to go? What do they wish to know? Then you can figure out how to take them there perfectly, smoothly, like an artist. 2 locations, but is this enough? Apparently not. So here's suggestion number 2 for you. I seriously don't get it. Why do so many people still prepare their presentations even without asking themselves this simple question? Why would they listen to me? Or why should they listen to me? Ask yourself, are you credible enough? Is your delivery or content good enough? Can you somehow grab their attention? Because it's really important to grab their attention. They get a reason that, okay, this guy has grabbed my attention, I'm ready to listen to him. Give them a solid reason so that they could listen to you. So this is one of my favorite ones, transitions. Like jumping from one point to another properly, building a bridge like an engineer, opening and closing each section properly by summarizing it. But why? Because people are distracted in 21st century. They miss so much important stuff. And if you use transitions properly, you bring them back and they get to know what's coming next. So when you use transitions, your presentations are well understood. Now you tell me, can any well understood presentation go wrong? Of course not. Simply kill the monotony. Because monotony is the biggest presentation killer. Boredom. You remember in the beginning, I told you how important this is to grab their attention, but you gotta sustain it now. Why? Because people get bored easily. Let's say you're having your favorite food in breakfast, lunch, dinner. Of course, you're gonna get bored because you need variation. So do your listeners. They need variation. So what are you supposed to do? Drop the bombs, bombard them with enthusiasm, with confidence, non-verbal communication, roller coaster ride, bombard them with some humor because they deserve variation. Even if you have the bestest of the content in the world, but if there's no better delivery, if there's no bombardment, they're going to get bored, they're going to lose the attention, the connection, and you don't need that. So remember the bombardment. Drop the bombs and remember these 4 ideas, suggestions for killer presentation. And remember to share this video if you've liked it. And remember to comment in the section below. And remember to ask us more and more questions. And remember to be the next evolution of humans.